Hey internet besties, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It is your favorite delusional YouTuber, Champagne, and I am back again with another wig review slash tutorial. So on today's video, we are going to be installing this bright lime green lace front wig from Amazon. I will put the link in the description box if you are interested. I just wanted to do something outside of my comfort zone, and also I want to show you guys how you can kind of salvage one of these Party City looking wish wig type Shein wigs. So when you get your wish wig, chances are the parting space is going to be very, very dense. It's not going to be natural looking at all, but we're going to fix that. So I'm just going to start by lining up the unit the way that I want it to lay on my natural hairline. This is the same process that I use for any wig, even a raggedy wig as such. So what we're going to do is go ahead and take a look at the hairline and start trying to customize the hairline. So what I'm going to do here is just use my eyebrow razor to cut off that lace. And then we're gonna go into the parting space and do a little work there too.
Say you got a little bit of cash, but can he please you? Started in my DM, I might make her BM. Wavy, Zavy, stunting, you should come and see him.
The first tip that I have for salvaging a Party City wig is customizing the hairline in a way that camouflages bad lace or densely packed lace. And the best way to do this is with baby hair. Now, before y'all get started, before y'all come for me, because I know how y'all girls like to tussle, we want to be really natural with the baby hair. So as you can see, I parted a large amount of hair here, but I'm going to thin with my eyebrow razor as well as cut. So when you're cutting your baby hair, you want to make sure that you're not just cutting straight across, because then you're going to have a really thick like chunk of hair near the front and it's going to look crazy. Make sure that you're thinning as well. So those larger chunks of hair, I'm going in and thinning them down so that it looks more natural.
Like he hate cash. Treat that little like a face mask. They don't want no problems, they don't want equations. We keep that same energy on all occasions. More life to my enemies, won't stop.
So now that we've cut our baby hairs, now we're going to go in and lay our lace down. So as you can see here, I'm just using my Kafun holding spray. Y'all know I love this holding spray. I'm going to try different holding sprays soon, but for now it works. So I'm going to keep using it. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of that right in the center of the part, and then go in just with my fingers to pluck out some of the hair that's like densely packed in the front. Y'all, they be killing me with these Party City wigs. Don't nobody hairline look like this. Nobody's part looks like this. How my part gets small at the top and then get wide in the middle and then get small again? That's not a thing. So after we lay that down and pluck that, we're gonna go ahead and do our baby hair again, trying to keep it as natural as possible. Try not to do the entire most, but I mean, it's still a lime green wig, so I mean, like, we're gonna be a little extra. So after I have that laid down, I'm gonna go ahead and do one last courtesy spray of my holding spray on the edges. Go ahead and spray yourself in the eye directly. That always helps. And then pat that down.
Talking nice to me. Down the bottle, it be going right through me. Brown baby down to take a flight to me. They think that I'm stunting, but it's like.
Then you're gonna want to tie your hair down. Tie that sucker down for about 10 minutes. You can use a scarf, you can use an elastic band if you don't mind having like little indents on your forehead, you know, do you. But definitely want to tie it down just so that you can make sure that the lace lays flat against your skin and you can kind of melt it that way. Then you're gonna go ahead in with your concealer and apply that in the parting space. Especially for these wish wigs, y'all, I don't know what they be thinking, but there's usually like plastic underneath the lace. It's wild, but you want to make sure that you apply your concealer and then use your finger to kind of rub it in, because you don't want it to be like chunky or too thick. You want it to be pretty even throughout the part. Another thing that I forgot to mention, but I wanted to run it back real quick, these wigs tend to be hella shiny. Apply baby powder, even setting powder if you don't have baby powder, but apply baby powder or setting powder to the wig and run your fingers through. This will cut down on the shine so that you're not out here shining bright like a diamond, and it really does make a difference. So the side on the right I applied baby powder to, and the side on the left I did not. Look at the difference. Now, usually while I wait for my holding spray to dry and my lace to be laid, I just do my makeup. I was initially planning on doing like a full transformation, get ready with me type thing, which is why you guys have this footage. But I ended up scrapping it, and then last minute I was like, you know what, let me include it. So if you guys are interested to see what the makeup look is for this wig that I'm wearing right now, definitely stick around. I put this thing on turbo speed, so you don't have to sit through like 30 to 40 minutes of me doing my makeup. But if you're interested, you know, just chill out, relax, vibe, watch the makeup tutorial. If you're not, you can skip ahead just to see what the final look looks like. I'll put a timestamp in the description box so that you don't have to worry about clicking through. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments section. Thanks for hanging out with me. Girl, good luck to you and your wish wig. I hope it turns out okay. Mine turned out fine. Just keep in mind that, you know, it's a cheap wig, and, you know, we do what we can with what we got. We use what we got to get what we want. And, you know, if you messed up, no big deal. Just treat it as practice. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me, you guys. I will catch you in my next one. Bye.
City on my back and it feel light to me. They think that I'm stunting, but it's light to me. I don't understand it, how they got so timid. Told them I would do it and I overdid it. I don't do the bass cause I don't got the minutes. Pull up nothing teeny so they know who in it. Shorty cutting up, it must be retrograde. 80s Cuban collar with the retro fade. Baby cut from Mexico, the whip German. And she down the wet it while the spliff burning. They don't want no static, better get the signal. Earning all these coins, it ain't coincidental. Tell them free the doggies, keep them out the kennel. With my same roadies, whipping different rentals. Baby girl, what's your sign and what that steez do? Say you got a little bit of cash, but can he please you? Started in my DM, I might make her BM. Wavy Zavy stunting, you should come and see him. Pollen paper got him talking nice to me. Down the bottle, it be going right through me. Brown baby down to take a flight to me. They think that I'm stunting, but it's slight to me. Pollen paper got him talking nice to me. Guess that's why the labels want the rights to me. City on my back and it feel light to me. They think that I'm stunting, but it's slight to me. I done cracked the code, yeah, I'm a hacker now. Gotta let them see it, I went back around. I don't need your wifey, she a pass around. They don't need to know it when I'm back in town. Bank teller greet me by my first name. Pollen paper got them talking nice to me. Down the bottle, it be going right through me. Brown baby down to take a flight to me. They think that I'm stunting, but it's slight to me. Pollen paper got them talking nice to me. Guess that's why the labels want the rights to me. City on my back and it feel light to me. They think that I'm stunting, but it's light to me. I don't understand it, how they got so timid. Told them I would do it and I overdid it. I don't do the bass cause I don't got the minutes. Pull up nothing teeny so they know who in it. Shorty cutting up, it must be retrograde. 80s Cuban collar with the retro fade. Baby cut from Mexico, the whip German. And she down the wet it while the spliff burning. They don't want no static, better get the signal. Earning all these coins, it ain't coincidental. Tell them free the doggies, keep them out the kennel. With my same roadies, whipping different rentals. Baby girl, what's your sign and what that steez do? Say you got a little bit of cash, but can he please you? Started in my DM, I might make her BM. Wavy Zavy stunting, you should come and see him. Pollen paper got him talking nice to me. Down the bottle, it be